Okay.
I'm tigers and baby on mine.
Breathe, JC. It's okay.
The unborn is coming to get me.
It's just the ring girl.
Oh, that's that thing over there. Don't do it.
It's a beast.
Damn.
Here comes the monster.
You strange dog,
Here
get
comes
away.
the monster.
Oh my gosh. Strange dog, go away. Get out of here.
There's JC's underwear.
What? You saw my underwear?
Yeah.
You saw it, I can't. Go.
Yep, it's good. Hey, the dog's drinking.
JC, you're too loud.
I guess we got that on tape. I think they know we're at your mom's.
No, we're not. That is Mother
Patricia.
Mm-hmm.
We go to a Catholic
She's a
school.
nun.
And we're not supposed to be down here.
No.
Drinking.
No.
Because we're rebels.
Yes, we are.
We are rebels.
We're alive to that. Excuse me,
what?
excuse me for a moment.
Oh, you got all over our spit. And your hair, your new hair is all in the spit.
What? What? What?
I think someone's a little depressed at the moment.
What? Just go down that dark alley and you'll know why.
Super Trooper light is gonna find me, shining like a star. This is cool. I wonder what this amazing light does in here. It's kind of creepy. Here's a pencil. What this says? It says, "Hi, let's party. We're sexy bitches." I found JC!
I found money!
Oh my god! Well, like the super light is gonna find me.
I didn't know something. I can't feel my chin. So I need you to punch it right there. Just do it.
I'm sorry, JC.
Oh, God! No, that didn't feel the same. Is that bad? Am I?
You're alive, JC. You are alive.
Hold on. Hold on. I think,
Amazing.
there's
Simply amazing.
no bruising or anything over here.
I don't know. Text message from my baby.
I don't understand. I don't understand. What is that?
What is wrong with you over there?
Leave me alone!
I'm sorry. Oh, take it off.
Hey, I am Miley Cyrus, and I love to rock the pace song. 'Cause I'm a hillbilly! And now, I am the secret life of an American teenager. Come hug me.
I'd rather not.
Come hug me,
I'd
kid.
rather
This
not.
blanket on.
No,
So
it's
soft and-
okay. It's
and
okay.
fuzzy.
It's
Okay.
I feel like a Teletubby. Can we get off? Okay. Okay.
And now, I will be the Muppet.
Dude,
Hi, how are you today?
you're sticking your hand up his ass.
No, I am not sticking my hand up.
Well, it's not really up there yet. Don't hurt me. Ow!
This is my friend Tigger!
Okay, I'm sorry. It's just gonna sit there and sit on your butt. pretty good butt. Just an old
Look at camera.
butt. Yeah, JC.
Look at
We already have a beautiful camera. The cat's freaking out. The cat's freaking out. The cat's freaking out. Cat is freaking out.
I think it's broken.
Oh, duh.
Oh my gosh! This is the best thing on the show.
The stop.
It's a real stop sign. It's a real stop sign.